Welcome to Research Talks. One more interesting video related on artificial intelligence, how to create using your text to convert as a video format and receive such kind of hot beautiful girl to provide your content like a text to speech and video format. That one is absolutely free, no limit, no pay, nothing. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Talks. So simply open here Google, any of the operating system, any of the browser, just simply type here Crudo I, enter. I already added this link in video description. Look at this Crudo AI video creation platform. I just simply click here. After clicking, such kind of framework is display here. Look at this multilingual AI video creation. Just enter your text, create multilingual oral video and real virtual character, providing character with AI empowerment, create for free, no pay anything. Such kind of video you can generate yourself. So one for multilingual real life model, virtual character, conversation, oral broadcast, video creation related features are available here. So here AI video creation like English and Chinese. Basically this platform comes from China. Before start anything, we need to register. As a register point of view, you need to add here your name, email address, password, and they sending one verification email on your email address, and then you can verify. After that you can log in. I have already account, so I just simply add here my email address, start creating. So look at this is my website page, oral broadcast, AI model. So some other features also available here. You can upload your own image also here if you want, add your picture, create oral broadcast. So we need to decide which AI created model you want require. Accordingly you decide and then choose one of them. So I just simply select this one. So originally she is look like this after receive your content. So we are adding here one more interesting point come here. I just simply select this model here. Which language you want added here, you just simply decide. I just simply go with UK English, and this female character you can listen this voice also here. After we add here some of the content, so I just simply open here one of my medium block and I copy this text, paste here. Always you decide 800 character only. After that, after again you create one more 800 character. So accordingly you can, and then after you can merge entire video. So here frame related informations are available. You want create as a mobile or laptop. So accordingly decide. I go with this one and create a video name. You just simply type here demo. So this is my video name. After that you can listen this voice also if you click here. So what exactly voice AI version you can listen and then accordingly decide. After that you just simply create. The video length size is 38 seconds. Generate the video. So here we need take time around 20 minutes. After you creating this one, you just simply stop and then doing some another work. So after 20 minutes your video is ready like this. Before you can download subtitle and video voice, or you can delete from here, but I already created one video, so I will make a demo. Like simply open here, download, and just simply open here, and this is my video.
Whisper is designed to be flexible and extensible. The system is built on a modular architecture that allows us to easily integrate new features and improve existing ones.
I am changing the background on my Final Pro Cut.
We have also released a set of pre-trained models for speech recognition and translation, as well as sample code for deploying the models in production.
So such kind of video content you can create using this platform, and absolutely free and no limitation. If you want delete this one, you can click here and delete this particular video. It's very simple.